This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set your resume private on Monster. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Monster. To set your resume private on Monster, you want to go up to the top up here, up to these little icons, and the one that looks like a little profile picture. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Profile. Click on the profile icon. And on the page that opens up, these tabs across the top up here, Home, Dashboard, My Profile, you want to go down to the very last one and click on Settings. Then on the next set of tabs that comes up, you want to click on Privacy and Communications. And then right down here, Visibility to Employers. By default, it's probably set to this middle one here, Visible to Employers. You could toggle this top one on, and that's hide your name and contact information. It's a confidential version of your profile and resume being visible. You're still visible, but the very bottom one, not visible to employers. Your profile, resume information is not visible. You may still receive emails from Monster when an employer has an opportunity that matches your skills. To set your resume private, you want to toggle on that bottom one. That is how to set your resume private on Monster. Thanks for watching.